Hi, everyone. I've put together a detailed review covering everything you need to know before purchasing Renew Ritual. Throughout the video, I'll also share some crucial warnings, so be sure to watch carefully to avoid any mistakes when buying or using Renew Ritual. The first and most important thing you should know is to be careful about where you buy Renew Ritual. It's exclusively available on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've left the link to the official site in the description of this video. Taking care of your skin is essential for maintaining a youthful, glowing complexion. For women, a good skincare routine focuses on addressing different needs based on skin type, age, and environmental exposure. So, how Renew Ritual can help you? And does it really work? The short answer is, yes, it absolutely does. Renew Ritual is an advanced skincare product designed to rejuvenate and restore the skin's natural radiance. It aims to tackle common skin concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, uneven texture, and dullness. The serum is formulated with a blend of potent natural ingredients that nourish the skin, provide deep hydration, and promote a youthful complexion. Unlike traditional moisturizers, serums have a lighter consistency that allows them to penetrate deeper into the skin, making Renew Ritual highly effective in delivering long-lasting results. Renew Ritual works by deeply penetrating the skin to deliver active ingredients that address signs of aging, promote collagen production, and enhance skin elasticity. Its hydrating properties help plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Renew Ritual Serum also protects the skin from environmental damage caused by factors like pollution and UV rays, which can accelerate aging. By targeting the deeper layers of the skin, Renew Ritual promotes cell turnover, which leads to smoother, more radiant skin. Over time, it helps improve the overall texture and tone, making the skin look firmer and more youthful. Renew Ritual's effectiveness lies in its unique blend of ingredients, each chosen for its skin-nourishing properties. Key components include Rejuvenate, which is known for its anti-aging properties, enhancing the skin's natural repair processes and offering protection against aging factors. Micrococcus lysate works primarily by promoting skin repair, protecting against environmental stress, and supporting anti-aging efforts. Chrysin is a natural flavonoid derived from plants like passionflower and honeycomb, commonly used in skincare due to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-aging properties. There is also a combination of 3 peptides, tetrapeptide 7, oligopeptides, and pentapeptide 3, which are amino acids that provide several skin benefits due to their ability to penetrate the skin and stimulate biological processes. They are well-known peptides used in skincare products for their anti-aging and skin-restoring benefits. And finally, aloe barbadensis and cucumber extract that offer hydrating, soothing, healing, anti-aging, and acne-fighting benefits. In short, Renew Ritual is a comprehensive skincare solution that addresses multiple signs of aging while nourishing the skin. With a blend of powerful ingredients, it helps to hydrate, firm, and brighten the skin. Regular use of the serum can lead to a more youthful, radiant complexion and smoother skin texture. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to boost their skincare routine with a product that targets aging and environmental damage effectively. Another important point to know before purchasing Renew Ritual is that the company offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with the results, you can return the product within 60 days of receiving it for a full refund, no questions asked. This ensures that trying Renew Ritual is entirely risk-free, but make sure that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video.